Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Daksh Bhosle. I am 8 years old. And my name is Saili Bhosle. I am 9 years old. We are very excited. Isn't it, Saili? Yes. The reason behind it is we have crossed 1000 plus subscribers in a short span of 3 months. Please subscribe to Financial Journeys.
Welcome to Financial Journeys. My name is Krishna. I am 17 years old. Today I have something special for you. Something that I have been planning for a long while. It is a game called Financial Football. It is one of the best financial games out there. I have been playing it for the past few months with my siblings who are about 8 years old, and even they have familiarized with some financial terminologies. Those who are new to the channel, we make interesting videos on personal finance and business tales at Financial Journeys. So please check out our videos and let's jump right in. We are going for single player. And these are the difficulty levels. Rookie is the beginner, then this is the medium difficulty and maximum difficulty. So we are going for the easiest for this video, and 20-minute game. Now these are the real teams from American football, and I am going for Panthers. For no specific reason, it just looks cool. And my opponent will be Jaguars. Now, financial football is a mix of finance and American football. So, no foots here. Like any other team game, this game also has a toss. So I'm going for tails, and I've won the toss. So I'll choose to receive the ball. Our team has had a 30-yard return. Now this game has several categories of practical questions like financial institutions, identity theft, savings, debt, and there are several other categories. It just rolls up 4 random categories for a game, and each of the category has questions in 3 difficulties. The hard difficulty gives the most progress, so we'll start with hard difficulty. Question in financial institutions. Issuing passports is a service offered by many banks. This is false, obviously. Mobile banking is less safe than online banking. I think this is false. So we had a correct answer. Now this game is tricky in the sense that the questions are practical and you get different questions each time. So it also means that you have an opportunity of learning new things every game, and learning while you don't even notice that you are learning. We just unlocked a game breaker, so we'll have better progress this question. Two-factor authentication requires you to enter your password and another code, such as a number sent to your phone, to log into an account. Yeah, true. Let's continue. Which of these would provide the most secure online banking password? The last 4 digits of your driver's license, your birthday, something you can easily remember like 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously it's the 4th option, since the password, it shouldn't be easily guessable. Yeah, that was the correct answer. And we have scored a touchdown. A touchdown is worth 6 points. So So I've already scored 6 points. I'm going for a 2-point conversion. So we have a chance of winning 2 more points. And my strategy would be an FB dive. Your personal debt is what you owe in money, goods or services. Your personal debt is what you owe in money, goods or services. Yeah, and we have had another correct answer. By far the questions have been easy and stuff that we come across easily, but we have had a good conversion. That means 2 extra points, so we've already scored 8 points, and the first half is not even half over yet. 6 minutes remaining for the first half. Now 28-yard return by the opponent team. Now we are playing defense. So I'll go with medium questions, medium difficulty questions, because hard difficulty questions I'll reserve them for when I'm playing offense, since that will give me more progress. Panthers defense, which is a strategy for saving on groceries, cost comparison, bringing on a grocery list, buying the store brand. Probably all of the above. Yeah. We have had another correct answer. And now I'm going for a debt question, medium. Writing a $150 check when you have only $100 in your account is called an overdraft. When we choose to spend more money than we have in our account, it is an overdraft. And another correct question, and that's a 4-yard sack. Since now we are defending, so we can only make sacks, obviously. Identity theft, medium. Which information is okay to share with a friend? Your PIN, your home address, your credit card number, your social media account password. If it is a friend, I think home address would be fine. Yeah, and that's correct. Okay. Now I think we'll play on offense. Yeah. So savings, I'll go for savings, hard question. Offense, reverse. A penalty may be charged for early withdrawal from a certificate of deposit. Yeah, that is true. A penalty may be charged. And the idea of paying yourself first means to. Now, the idea of paying yourself first, I've described this in detail in a video on Rich Dad Poor Dad. Please do check it out. The link is in the description below. Work for yourself, save a certain amount with every paycheck, invest in stocks and bonds, invest in your skill set. Actually, it should mean save a certain amount with every paycheck. Okay. Another correct answer. So by far we have had all answers correct, and 2 minutes remaining for the first half. Now this game is really relaxing and it always teaches you something new. So I love to play it. Even my brother plays it sometimes. I'll go for a debt hard question. End around is my strategy. Being underwater on a car loan means you owe more money than the car is worth. Yeah, I think it is true. Okay, so it was correct. One's ability to repay debt in a timely manner is called creditworthiness. And correct. So we have earned an audible. So in case we give correct answers for all of the difficult questions, we earn an audible, which is like a lifeline kind of a thing. First down. Now medium question for financial institutions. I'll do a cross in. When your paycheck is automatically added to your bank account, it is called cash advance, direct deposit, automatic banking, or stopgap financing. It is called direct deposit. Okay, so I've earned a blitz now because we've answered all the medium questions correctly. Also, another great thing about this game is that you can choose what should be the length of the game, so you wouldn't be wasting time. You can even go for a 5-minute game if you want. If you're having trouble making payments, you should contact your creditor. Yeah, true. Now we have scored first down. Now we are going for an easy question in savings, and my strategy is going to be FB Flare. It is a good idea to save money for unexpected emergencies. Yeah. So the easy questions, as you may have noticed, are extremely easy, though that is the idea behind an easy question. And now is the half time, so 10 minutes have passed and we have already scored 8 points and total yards gain are 104, passing yards 11, and we have also made 2 sacks by far. We are doing great. Now we would be playing defense and the opponent team has made a 24-yard return. So defense, identity theft, easy question. Identity theft can occur when someone steals your mail. Yeah, true. Now by far we have answered every question correctly and this is the last one. After this the table gets refreshed and we can again answer the difficult questions. Financial institutions, easy question. Your ATM pin should always match your passwords for other accounts. This is obviously false. Your ATM pin shouldn't match anything else. It should be exclusive. And we have also earned a hint. Great. So we have answered every question correctly. Now the question set would be replaced anew. And okay, great. Budgeting hard question. Groceries are considered discretionary spending. False, I think, because groceries are a part of your essential expense. Yeah. So question number 2, having a car at college means budgeting for gasoline, parking permits, insurance, all of the above, since all of these are expenses that you will incur at some point or the other. Yeah, so another correct answer. The hard question will have 2 questions within them. The first one is like a true or false one and the other is a multiple choice question. Financial institutions hard, and my strategy would be FL reverse. In selecting a bank or credit union, it is important to research each institution's non-network ATM fees, annual fees and overdraft fees. Yeah, it is. You should know what your expense is going to be. Online access to your credit and debit card accounts lets you view all account activity, helps you spot errors or fraud, allows you to schedule payments. Yeah, all of the above. You can do everything through your online credit and debit card accounts. Yeah, correct. We have had a 7-yard gain. Okay, life events hard, and I'm going for end around. In a rental situation, roommates can share renters insurance rather than having their own. Now honestly I do not know. I mean, it doesn't make sense. I'll use the hint. Okay, so false. I'm going for false. Yeah, that was correct. So as it seems, if you're living with a roommate and your roommate has insurance for it, you cannot share it, you need your own. Hidden costs on car rentals can include local and state taxes, airport surcharges, gas insurance, and drop-off charges. Yeah, all of them. And another correct answer. First down. Okay, now credit, hard question. And we have also unlocked a game breaker. We may make more progress this question if we answered it correctly. Deep cross. It is okay to rely on your credit card as your emergency fund. No, I do not think we should always have separate emergency funds. Okay, that was correct. Establishing a good credit score is partially accomplished by paying bills on time, never getting a credit card, making smart investment choices, maxing out your credit cards. Paying your bills on time is the most effective and logical option, I believe. So let's go for it. Yeah, so we have unlocked an audible. We answered all of the difficult questions correctly. And we have scored another touchdown. That is 6 more points. I'll go for a 2-point conversion now, which may add 2 points. So triple, double, I'll go for a spot. A budget includes monthly income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, all of that. A budget includes your income, your fixed and variable expenses. Yeah, and that was a good conversion, 2 more points. 7 minutes into the second half, so only 3.5 minutes remaining. Though we have scored 16 points against our opponent who hasn't scored a single one by far. I think this game would be more fun to play with a player. 20-yard return. Now I'll going for defense. Financial institutions, medium question. If a bank lends you money, you are the borrower. Yeah, borrower. And that was the correct answer. Life events, medium question. Which of the following are tax sheltered saving options for retirement? I think I'll go for all of the above. Yeah, all of the above. Okay. Budgeting, medium. If you want to help people in other countries, which charity should you consider? A domestic animal welfare organization, a local literacy program for adults, an international children's charity, a local. See, it's in the name. Local and domestic isn't going to be in other countries, so an international children's charity. And we've made another sack. And only a minute remaining, but I think we've done great by far. Every question has been correct. Credit medium, triple HB smash. When you use a credit card, you are paying in advance, you're paying later. And I've earned a blitz. Five-yard gain. The gains are minimal in medium and easy difficulty questions. They are not effective when you are playing on offense. Debit card cannot be used to pay for gas. I think that is false. Life events, easy question. Being a postal worker is an example of entrepreneurship. False. Entrepreneurship is starting a business and postal worker is a job, obviously. That question was almost funny. And the game ends here. We have run out of time and clearly we are the winners. 16 is a score against 0 for the PC. Luckily, today we answered every question correctly, but the questions keep on changing every game and also there are varying levels of difficulty. So if you want me to play on the more difficult levels, let me know in the comments below. This video is not a paid promotion. For your convenience, I have mentioned the learning modules and game download link in the description box below. Please hit the like button if you like this video and thanks for watching. Bye.